OpenClaw is blowing up right now. It's this super handy AI that actually gets real work done. But data safety? Yeah, even Meta's own AI safety lead watched in horror as it Blitz deleted her entire inbox at lightning speed. And she's not the only one. One dev on Discord straight up said, "I was just trying to fix my OpenClaw setup. It deleted the entire workspace. Am I completely screwed? Files just gone." If you're jumping into AI agents or you've already been burned by a rogue delete, hang tight. We've got you. Hey everyone, welcome back. So what the heck is OpenClaw? It's not your average chatty AI like ChatGPT. This thing's an open source powerhouse that runs locally on your machine. It plugs into your files, emails, apps, and actually handles tasks clearing inboxes, automating stuff, even improving itself by writing code. The killer difference? Regular AIs chill in a browser tab waiting for your next question. OpenClaw's autonomous, long-term memory runs in the background, uses plugins for real actions, and gets full access to your system if you let it. No subscriptions, totally customizable, open source. That's why it's exploding. GitHub stars just rocketed past 250,000. Feels like lightweight, a GI right in your hands. Installation? Dead simple for most folks, just one command in your terminal. Head to openclaw.ai or the GitHub repo for the exact line. I've dropped the full step-by-step guide in the description so you can grab it without pausing. But here's the scary funny part. Why does OpenClaw sometimes go full chaos mode and nuke your stuff? Easy, it's got God-level access to your local files and emails. In that viral Meta case, her massive inbox triggered context compaction. The AI summarizes old context to keep going, but it straight up forgot her confirm before deleting rule. One vague command later, poof. Emails, files gone in a speedrun. Panicking, don't sweat it yet. These AI slip-ups are real, and basic undelete tools crap out on deep wipes like this. That's where TenorShare 4D Dig Data Recovery steps in as your lifesaver undo button. It scans deep into disk sectors, even recursive deletes, formatted drives, or AI oopsies with patented tech that's way faster than most. Here's the quick fix when your files just got yeeted. Grab 4D Dig from the link in the description. Launch it, and you'll see all your drives. Pick the one OpenClaw trashed, maybe your D, drive, project folder, or external SSD. Hit scan. Choose the file types you want to recover. Scan selected file types. It starts deep analyzing right away. While it scans, watch files pop up. Select what you want. Hit their cover button in the bottom right. The key rule is to save to a different drive or folder, or you could overwrite the data you're trying to save. AI is a genius toddler with admin rights. Play hard, but prep your safety net first. Install 4D Dig now. Keep it ready, golden hour matters. The sooner you scan, the higher your odds. If this saved you some stress or might in the future, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI tips and fixes. See you in the next one. Stay safe out there.